Hey there, health enthusiast. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the science of weight loss, how to manage calories effectively, and why obesity is becoming a global crisis. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will understand not only how to lose weight in a healthy way, but also how this issue affects the world around us. So let's jump right in. Section 1, the science behind weight loss. Calories in versus calories out. Let's start with basic of weight loss. It also it all comes down to a simple equations: calories in and calories out. Calories are a unit of energy and your body uses them for everything from breathing to running a marathon. If you consume more calories than your body needs, the excess is stored as fat. But if you burn more calories than you eat, your body taps into its fat stores to us as energy. Cut fat storage and energy burning. So, to lose weight, you need to create a calories deficit. That means you either consume fewer calories, burn more through exercise, or ideally both. Now, section 2, how to manage calories effectively. Food versus unhealthy food with calories on each side. Now let's talk about managing those calories. First off, it's not now let's talk about managing those calories. First off, it is not just about eating less, it is about eating right nutrient dense food like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains are lower in calories but pack a punch with vitamins and minerals. On the other hand, food high in sugar and unhealthy fats can be calories dense and provide little nutrition value. Now, plate of food. For example, a serving of vegetables might have only 50 calories, but a handful of chips could have 200 or more calories. So, while calories and by eating chips, you will feel hungry within a minute. So, the section 3, the importance of exercise. Exercise is another key factor in weight loss. Physical activity not only burn calories but also boost your metabolism. When you exercise, your body needs more energy. That energy comes from stored fat. Plus, exercise help maintain muscle mass, which burn even more calories at rest. It's all about balance. So combining strength training with cardio is often the most effective approach. You will burn fat, build muscles, and see long-term sustainable results. Now, section 4, the global impact of obesity. Obesity is more than just a personal health issue. It is a global crisis. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), the number of obese adults worldwide has nearly tripled since 1975. This is not only due to poor eating habit or lack of exercise, but also environmental factors like urbanization, socio-economic status, and food availability. Obesity increases the risk of serious disease like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. But it is not just a health problem, it has a massive economic impact, with billions spent every year on healthcare and lost productivity. Section 5: Why weight loss is more complex than just calories. Section 5: Why weight loss is more complex than just calories. Now, while the calories in versus calories out model is an important foundation, weight loss is much more complex than just cutting calories. Things like genetic, hormones, mental health, and sleep all play a huge role. For instance, stress can lead to overeating, and lack of sleep can affect your metabolism. Your hormones like insulin, leptin, and cortisol can affect your hunger and fat storage. So, when you are talking about weight loss, you need to look at the big picture: diet, exercise, mental well-being, and lifestyle changes. Section 6: How to tackle obesity globally. On a global scale, tackling obesity requires both individual effort and collective action. Government, organizations, and even schools need to push for healthier food options, better access to exercise, education on nutrition. It is also about creating an environment where making healthy calories is easier. It might seem overwhelming. Remember that every small changes you can make has a ripple effects. Whether it choosing a healthier snacks or encouraging your community to get more active, it's all contribute to the bigger picture of fighting obesity worldwide. So thanks for tuning in. So I want to share with you all, we have one fitness community called the S3 Fitness. In this we help people to maintain their health and fitness in terms of weight loss, weight gain, energy, stamina, PCOS, thyroid, and etc. If you want to join our community, I am sharing my contact number in the description below. You can find my number and you can contact me for more details. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration. And as always, stay healthy and keep striving for the best version of yourself. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.